Hey, welcome everyone. I am Govindasamy Srinivasan from govindasamy I welcome you to my secret email system review brought to you by Matt Peacock. I have created an exclusive bonus page of secret email system giving you all the details of the product and upsell information. Let me tell you something about Matt Peacock's secret email system. I am really excited to tell you about this brand new product I am about to get myself. But first, Matt Peacock, an email marketing expert who made millions online, is releasing his first email system. It's all happening on the September 2020. If this sounds interesting to you, hang around and I will show you more details. I have put in some awesome bonuses for those of you who would like to pick the secret email system by my link in the description below this video. The first link below this video will bring you to this bonus page. If you want to purchase the secret email system, this is going live at 10 a.m. US Central Time on Monday 28th September. When you click on the yellow button that you will be taken to the sales page, you can purchase the secret email system from here. But you need to do that before the countdown timer on this page hits 0. Because when it does, all my bonuses will disappear. And that is something I don't want you to miss out, and I have put together these special bonuses exclusively for my subscribers. Now let's look into more detail on the secret email system. The secret email system is a counterintuitive approach to creating a running online business, specifically the freedom lifestyle business model that allows you to build a sustainable and profitable long-term business that gives you the freedom, fun and adventure. This is for that person that wants to go to your laptop and finally make money online. It is also for the person that wants to build a list of people that want to buy over and over again so you can enjoy. The secret email system offer is really fabulous offer. It is good that you would feel like an idiot if you let it pass by you, especially if you want to easily generate an income working a few hours a week. What you will get in this fabulous offer is the secret email system ebook, and you will also get an advanced 90-minute training that will walk you through exactly how Matt got to 10,978 leads a day. Plus, onto all of that, you will get 10 amazing bonuses valued at $997. Most people teaching this stuff don't make so much money as Matt, as they have only been around for a few years. The thing that is going to share with you have all been proven super successful. There is no theory here. Anyone can blatantly copy this method. It will work for people just starting out, or people that want to quit their job, people that want to retire early, for people that just want to make a lot of money and have their own freedom business. You have probably seen the strategy in action several times in one way or another, but I would venture to guess you haven't started using it, making it work. A large number of people have tried to use this method, but most get it all wrong. Each of them left out one or more key elements which Matt reveals in this package that make the strategy so effective. Leave one of this out at best, you spend way too much money, and at worst, your whole strategy crumbles into millions of pieces. Make sure you use each of these simple secrets. You might not be able to keep up with the amount of money flooding into your bank account. You get a 30-day money-back guarantee in the strange case you don't think it is for you, and you keep the ebook. Let's get into the bonuses now. I have put together some awesome bonuses which will help you make money with the secret email system. The bonus number 1, A to Z launch checking case study by Jonah Armstrong. This is a run through of an actual setup of a product review with bonus page, and you can set up your launch checking same way and earn commissions using free YouTube traffic. This will also help you to build your email list of interested people. Bonus number 2, how to build a buyers list. This is a simple hack which you can implement immediately in your business and build a targeted buyers list who will buy again and again from you by sending emails the way Matt Peacock teaches you in is secret email system. That's number 3, the secret weapon. This is a complete course on how to set up your complete funnel to build your list using free and paid traffic the proper way. Building your list is essential to have success with the secret email system. Bonus number 4. Go from $0 to $100 in 24 hours using this method. By building your cash campaigns and making commissions through purely organic traffic. This was the method I used to make my first $100 online. Bonus number 5. This is all the vendor bonuses. Let me show you what you get in the vendor bonuses. The secret email system ebook, which is included with your order, where you will learn the whole secret email system. The bonus number 1 is irresistible offer video guide, how to find and pick high converting offers that work. Bonus number 2, secret email system checklist. By using this step-by-step flight checklist that makes sure you implement the system in order so you can get results. Bonus number 3, 3x formula calculator, the profit equation which Matt uses that breaks down subscribers, clicks and EPC to help you maximize your sales. Bonus number 4 is 2.1 million email swipe file. Matt's own private email swipe files of thousands of email that responsible for his $2.1 million in sales. Bonus number 5, Matt's secret 357,582 lead gen template. The same exact lead gen template which Matt used to generate 357,582 leads. Bonus number 6, 10,978 new leads daily masterclass. This is how to generate high quality leads each and every day. Bonus number 7, Secret of Millionaires Mind Book, 9 common characteristics of internet millionaires and how to adopt them for your business. Bonus number 8, this is gigantic swipe file ebook. Bonus number 9 is free breakaway session with Matt's team. You get a free 45-minute strategy session with Matt's team to help you get clarity and figure out how to implement the secret email system. Bonus number 10 is Matt's private Facebook community. You get access to private group of 20,000 plus email marketers where you can learn, share and network with the some of the top email marketers in the world. To claim all my bonuses and all the vendor bonuses, you are going to click on the first link below in this video, which will bring you to this page. And when you click on this yellow button, it will take you through to the sales page where you can purchase the secret email system. After purchasing, you can go to your Warrior Plus account and can access the receipt, which will look like this. And when you press the blue button, you will get access to all my bonuses and vendor bonuses. Even if you have purchased only the front end for $5.60, yes, only $5.60. Now let me take you to the sales page. This is a new book which reveals how I built a 7-figure online business using nothing but ethical email marketing to drive revenue, sales and commissions. Without ever creating product, without fulfilling services, without running ads or even doing customer service, and best of all only working 30 minutes a day while automatically generating sales 24/7. This is Matt Buckach, the person who has created the secret email system. He talks about a secret system which is a shortcut method. He has created this BMG10 method, which after several years of trial and error, testing everything and figuring out the hard way, without anyone guiding him, he has finally reached a point where he has turned online business into a machine that operates without him. And you can replicate the same thing. You have the opportunity to duplicate the entire secret email system by downloading a $5.60 ebook called the secret email system. This is how it works. The old way is you create a product, create a landing page, create a sales page, create an upsell page, make ads, sell products, manage support, and then get paid. In the new way, you hardly work, which is the email marketing model. You build a list, mail the list, and get paid. He sold all this using the same exact email marketing system with this new $5.6 book, which reveals. So he is going to prove it to you on the sales page. It took him 3 years and $65,000 of trial and error to figure out everything to the point where it just works. So these are some of the earnings he has made with his secret email system. Okay, you can go through this, and these are some of his students who have made millions of dollars online. These are the big names in email marketing: Devin Brown, Anthony McCarthy, and Roberto Pastorano. So you can, and these are some of the secrets of email system where he doesn't use any of this. They don't focus on free traffic strategies, because the reality is nothing is free, and usually when something is free, the payment is in the end is a lot bigger. We don't focus on Facebook, Google, or YouTube ads. We don't focus on creating our own products or services. You don't need to create your own product. Don't focus on building blogs, Instagram, Snapchat, any type of social media. And we don't do any content marketing. Okay, so in fact, we rarely do anything that doesn't make us money. So this is a semi-automated system called the secret email system. And that one thing and only one thing turns leads into sales. So you can go through the complete page in detail to understand the exact system that Matt has developed. Overall, the secret email system is an awesome product where you will learn how to build your very own list and make money with it like clockwork. You will receive all of this for a one-time fee of $5.60, and you get all my special bonuses and vendor bonuses. Now let's take a look at the upsells. So this is a secret email system which you will receive for a one-time fee of $5.60, and you will get ultimate email marketing package, which is going to cost you $97, and a downsell, which is a deal for the ultimate email marketing package, which you can get for only $47, and you get access to the secret email mastermind where you pay a yearly fee of $84, and a downsell to that is a monthly charge of $9.95 for the secret email mastermind. So you can check out all my bonuses on this page and pick up the secret email system from this link. This brings us to an end to this video. Thank you so much for watching my secret email system review. See you on the next. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy.